Yo, what's going on, family? It's your boy Traxxas 3D, man, and yeah, you already know you made it to another Vlogmas, man, 2021. So if you're here, man, thank you for being here. But today, man, you already know, man, got my God First shirt on. Shout out to me, Nah. But today, man, ooh, right after the Christmas music hits, y'all know I gotta do the Christmas music, man, because it's Vlogmas. Man, I'm about to show you the newest addition to my RC family, you feel me? So let's get it. Alright, family, so again, I'm your boy, your host, your favorite nephew, all of the above, Traxxas 3D, man. You made it to the lifestyle, man. And today, y'all know I've been talking about it, man. New hobby, you feel me? Well, it's not a new hobby, really. It's an old hobby, but I'm just not getting back in it. And I'm feeling it, man. So, without further ado, let me introduce you to Torment. Yeah, boy, you see that there, man? That boy finally got his first. I've been wanting a short course truck for a minute. And this one, you know what I'm saying, the box, I gotta see what color it is on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Because the one I actually ordered was red, I believe. Was it red? No. I got the right color. The one I wanted was red, but I said, man, let me go with the orange one. Match my watch, you feel what I'm saying? Vostok, been rocking this thing all day, you feel me? So let's see what this thing look like. Okay, we're gonna walk through everything, man. You got telling you like what's included. Your radio controller, 2.4 gigahertz, man. It's waterproof electronics, man. So it has a gasket in there. Like I know it's splash proof. I would not recommend you run this thing through no ocean or no pool or none of that. You know what I'm saying? If you want to get in the water, get you a boat. And this one is RTR, ready to run. Let's see here. What else is on here? So it does tell you all of the different colors and stuff like that on it. I may have been looking at a different truck that was red, so because I don't see a red function on here. Okay. And has all the functions and stuff like that. I think that's in a different language. By Horizon. And this right here is telling you like what to get for upgrades. You know what I'm saying? Last performance, which I will be eventually getting these. Man, come on, you can't have an RC without upgrading it. You feel me? All right, let's open her up. Look at that bad boy right there. Ooh, K&N, got kicker on there, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Hold on, boy. Like, I actually ordered a couple of these off of Amazon. I'll leave it down in the description, man, so you can see. In case you want to get you one of these bad boys. Even got mud flaps on that. Ooh, look at that suspension, man. Ah, this thing is gorgeous, man. Stinking gorgeous, man. I can't wait to tear this up. So we want to get this thing out on the road, man. Let's see. Nothing but space and opportunity. Let's hit the street. Ooh. That means connectivity, boy. Did y'all hear that? It's alive. It's alive. Alright, hold up. Alright, so no stickers on it, no nothing. I'm not even about to like really drive it just yet, you know what I'm saying? But like, let me get you turned around so y'all can see it. And here's my new thing. Dang. Hey, that thing just died.
No.
It just died.
Oh,
They doing nothing. Maybe I'll wait till in the morning like I was supposed to. So that's a no-go for the night, man. But y'all seen it. So I'm about to go back in the house, man. I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, a few things this morning. Last night, I was doing some recording and stuff like that. Y'all saw the truck guy completely die out. I had to do some troubleshooting and see what was going on with it. And it's all in the remote control of this truck. I got this red ring. So the red ring said that, you know what I'm saying, like if you look at the remote, there's a lot of features on it, right? So the red ring came on and I was like, crap. I'm looking through the paper, but then I said, you know what? Got to be a faster, easier way. So I went to the University of YouTube, found out what was going on. But last night, I completely destroyed my my stand for this. So I'm holding this. I still got my rig. So I'm actually, yeah, I'm not having a, yeah, just having a time with it. But I do have it in the load. It told, the guy was saying that when you start the truck off, those trim settings, turn them to 0 because it doesn't like being in a different position other than 0 when you first start it up. So there she go. And it is, I think this, it was crazy. They said the most interesting thing about this truck starting off is, uh-oh, here we go. Oh, okay, so that's crazy. You got to hit it twice. I took all of the trim out. I took everything, put it on 0. So this truck is probably just creeping along. So I am going to set this down somewhere. And it's doing it again, man. On the instructions say that, well, the troubleshooting says that if the ECM is still showing that there's like the steering servo was working, then it has something to do with the remote control. It's brand new. Like I did not want to start my day off with this, man. I was excited about the RC, getting into this hobby, man. This is just. All right, so today was a fail. Here's the deal, man. The struggle is real at this point. The struggle is real. Oh, I think I just ran over. No, he got out. Squirrel. Okay, I'm right around the corner from where I just dropped my truck off at, man. When I mean my vehicle, y'all seen what happened, man. Y'all seen what happened, man. But here's the deal. Here's the deal. Today, man, the struggle is real because, man, I put in a bid for or a raffle for the cool grays. And if you're seeing this video for the first time, I either got them or didn't get them because I was gonna drop the video regardless. But stay tuned to see if I got them jokers or not. I'm headed right back up to my my car. There she is. All right, here's my charger.
No problem. Let me do some testing on the batteries.
Okay, family. Okay. All right, I just picked it up, man. My man said he found the issue, what was going on. It was something in the battery. So, got a new battery. Got everything set up. And let's test it out. So I'm gonna be doing this with holding my camera and trying to control a car at the same time. Let's see how this works out. Okay. Man, what? I'm satisfied with that because normally it was cutting off at this point. Got it together, man. I'm happy. I'm about to put the body on. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm about to take it to the crib, charge the battery up so I get a full charge. Then I'm gonna come back out and play with it. You feel me? So family, yes, finally got my truck running. It's running great. Nice truck to start off with. I am thoroughly pleased, especially for the price that I paid for everything out the door. I appreciate, I don't even know his name, man, but you guys saw where I got it from, man. Just seen some cutscenes, man. So I will continue to play with this outside, but it was 60 degrees, no, 58, I'll just say 60 degrees this morning. Right now we're at 32, 33, and we're supposed to be getting snow drifts or something like that, or like some light snow. I'm cold. Oh, see, I had to put my pockets is both pockets, man. I had stuff in my pockets, so don't. I know Jay Jones gonna get me, man, like for having my flaps open, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. See you guys tomorrow, man. To the next lightning strike. You guys be blessed.